Hi people of YouTube, Wayne Hackman here, aka Whackstar, and in this video we're going to install this into that. Stay tuned. So in the Nissan Patrol ruggedization upgrade, I started thinking about putting some drawers into the back of the Patrol here. So I've taken out the rear seats. We only have a family of 3, so the likelihood that we're going to use them anytime soon is very, very, well, unlikely. And I've been looking around to see if I can build my own or find a drawer system. And there is a company in Nairobi, I think just a little startup by a few guys called Ultra Red Outdoors, and they design and manufacture these drawer systems to go in the back of, well, not just Patrols but all sorts of off-road 4x4 vehicles. Now these guys will actually build them, I think, custom, and what I liked about this system is not only do you have the drawers, but here you've got a table, and that is just a real fantastic thing. It's all lockable, so I can leave all my tools in the car when it goes to service. So it's come with a whole load of paraphernalia that I need to now install on this. Now these guys will install it, they'll charge a little bit more, but I wanted to install it myself, well, for 2 reasons. So I know exactly how it's fitted into my car, and the second thing is, well, you know me, I always like a bit of a DIY project if there's one available. So let's see what we've got, and then let's start putting it into the back of the Patrol and see what it looks like. So let's look at the drawer system itself. It's all made of pretty high quality stuff. It's been all powder coated nicely. It's got 2 of these really deep long drawers, and what I like about this particular system is it's also got a little bit of a table as well. Now normally with the install they would have done all of this, but it comes with some brackets for fitting, some extra carpet. I've also got some marine ply that I'm going to use to sort of tidy up the edges, and also these runners which are going to be installed into the back of the vehicle here. I'm going to lift these off, and here seems to be a perfect mounting spot. So I've got 2 sections, so we know that however it's mounted, it's going to be really, really solid. Well, I'm going to just sweep this out, tidy this up a little bit, and then let's see if we can get the mounts on and in place, so we can just slide this drawer into place.
So the first thing I needed to do was to remove the tie down points. That wasn't too difficult to do, just 1 bolt in each section. Then I put the runners in. The front runner went in perfectly. I managed to find some bolts from my bolt box and tie those into the existing spot, which was very useful. The second runner I actually had to cut about 6 or 7 centimeters off. Obviously the wheel arch from the left hand side poked out a little bit, and I needed to be able to cut this, but fairly easily done. And same process, got some bolts and tied those into the existing bolts that were in place. So let's put the drawers in the car. You can remove the top, and if I'd thought about it, I should have removed the drawers on the table as well, but we got it in there, ready, aligned to bolt in place.
All right, let's look at this in more detail. Here we have the drawers, we've taken them out. You can see the table there, good solid metal table. And then you can see with Draw on My Gardener's help, we have kind of line up, and you can just see that they line up, you look very carefully, with the runners here. So I just need to now bolt these bad boys in. So this is pretty solid. So it's going to take me a little bit of time to do that, so I'll get back to you on that. Okay, after a little bit of jiggery pokery, managed to get this seated in. Now I've put 4 bolts in it. That is not going anywhere. I was going to put 6 bolts in, but I think I'll keep it as it is, and then if I find it starts to move around, it's not that difficult to take the top roof off. This section here, and then the drawers. That's pretty solid, and it's quite some nice space on the side there. Not so much on this side. So what I might do is just, this is a good place to put, you know, straps and things like this. And on this side, my hope is to mount a small battery and inverter. So that's my hope. That's a topic for another video. So there you have it, the first part of the install for the drawer system, and I'm quite pleased with it. Seems quite solid, although I'm going to put a couple of extra bolts in, but I need to go and get those. This one here. This is a deeper drawer. And then you've got the table on top there, which comes out. And then the theory being is, if I put down the back seat here, they should, if they've designed it well enough, and I'm pretty sure they have, should be able to lay flat. So there we go. Long enough for me to sleep in. Put a mattress in here. So I'm going to have to think about how I can modify that. But anyway, as always, I appreciate you watching. Please rate and subscribe to all the things that YouTubers do, and I'll catch you in the next video. And also the next video for this, where we put the sides on.